What's up everyone, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff just like this. Now this is a Tamiya 1/10 scale Indycar. It's the Lola T94, Honda powered, as you can see. Beautiful cars. I've never actually driven one or used them. I think they just look fantastic just sitting still. They look fast, they look mean, they just look really scale. That's what I like about them. Not just Indycars, but you get the Formula 1s as well. Really popular. And yeah, I've been looking on the shelf thinking, what can I do with this? You know, I'd like to try new things and spice things up a bit. So, you know, these come with the good old Mabuchi RS540 brush motor, standard kit caboodle, really nice design, simple to work on. You can mod them up or you can just run them like this and have fun with them, but obviously you need a really flat surface to, you know, get the full potential of them because they are so low to the ground. Now I was just looking at it, getting a bit bored, thinking what can I do, and I was thinking, wow, what about a Toyan FS100 in the back? Now ideally F1 or Indy cars, the motor is a part of the actual chassis itself. You know, you got the gearbox that gets mounted here, then the rear components, the wishbones, all that kind of stuff gets attached to the actual gearbox, which gets attached to the motor, and then the front monocoque, which would, you know, be like this part here in front of the driver, gets attached to the back or to the front of the motor, and it forms an integral part of the chassis. Obviously you can't really do that with this setup because of the fan. You need to keep it cool. So, you know, I like to run things scale, and unfortunately I can't really do it like that, but I was just having a quick look. You could actually place it like that. You could mount it like that, you know, like front wheel drives are mounted. Imagine mounting something like that there. Obviously you get rid of the brushed motor. This is just an idea, just hear me out. Get rid of the brushed motor. You can maybe sit that in there, run a simple clutch, and away you go. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it'd be pretty cool. Never seen it done before, because I've got a lot of these little motors and I'm thinking, what can I do with them? I've got a few there. People saying run them in a tank. Not sure. A tank you could work. The cooling would be an issue because it's going to be inside the tank. If that opens, I think it... Does it open? No, it doesn't. There we go. So the cooling needs to get air in there. So maybe like the FSL 400 where it's got a radiator would work, because, you know, it could be in there. That's L400s could be used in a boat as well. But the issue with the tank is cooling, one. Two would be a suitable gearbox. Now, if you guys know a gearbox that would run in a tank, I know the Kyosho do those snow tracked vehicles. Maybe I could use something like that. Because, yeah, that's the only thing I was thinking about. What gearbox could I run? I don't want to get it too hot. But the thing with this as well, obviously I think it'll work this way. It's got to figure out where to fit everything else, because, you know, they do require a lot of electronics. Good thing about this is only single cylinder 4-stroke, only requires one igniter and a small little brushless ESC to start it up with the little brushless motor here. Fuel tank obviously, and I don't know. That was just an idea. Just wanted to get it out there. I was just umming and ahhing and looking at the collection and thinking what I could do, and maybe that. What do you guys think? Give me some ideas. I like to put them in a tank, but yeah, the gearbox and the clutch situation might be a little bit of a hiccup. That might be a little bit too hard to overcome. Well, this one, so light, it'll probably work. Let me know down below, guys. Quick video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments, and yeah, I'll be interested to hear what you say. Cheers, guys.